Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a new brand and it's called Nayaat. This is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. It's actually a branch or a subsidiary of the House of Orientica. So House of Orientica doesn't need introduction, is one of the best perfume houses out of United Arab Emirates. They have many good, very high quality perfumes, and this Nayaat basically new perfume from the House of Orientica is, they have I think around 12 perfumes at the moment in their lineup. They just came out a few weeks ago, so they are very brand new. The company brand new, the perfumes are brand new. Obviously all the experience and the know-how of Orientica goes to these perfumes. So let's go and see how they are good. Are they good or not, or how they stack up? So this one, it was sent to me by House of Orientica for review, but this video is not affiliated, it's not sponsored, there's no money exchange, no they didn't tell me what to say, although they send you some publications say, look, this is new perfume, but they never tell you exactly what to say. And this, which is, I myself think the independence of the reviewer is very important. So whatever you see in this video is all my opinion, it's all my experience. I'm telling you these things, there is no influence whatsoever. It's all pure information for you guys out there. Okay, thank you very much, and let's go. So this one in particular called Nayaat, and this is Qahwah or coffee. So it says Qahwah is 90 ml, is EDP. On the website, Orientica's website, they're selling it for £75. So that's the retail price. And as always with House of Orientica and majority of the Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Look at this huge box, very thick cardboard. Attention to detail is beautiful. As always, looks very luxurious, and it feels luxurious in the hand. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. Alright, so this is how it looks, and it opens like this. So you put it there and it goes beautiful. And look at the bottle itself, the box, very thick cardboard, and the bottle looks a piece of art itself. Heavy, very heavy. It says in this beautiful gallery, and this is like a velvet. Nayaat Qahwah. Let's see the bottle. The bottle is super heavy, very thick and dense glass with this matte finish. In terms of color, the color is almost like a milk and coffee, milk and coffee together, so it's like a light brown. And it says Qahwah Nayaat, and information in the bottom, and the cap is it's about a half a kilo of cap. It's very heavy, and it's like some sort of a sculpture, or I don't know what they're going for, but it looks okay, looks good on that eye. And the atomizer is modern and gold, and here we go. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, it's pressurized. Beautiful atomizer, gorgeous. So so far so good. The brand new, not only they are this one is new, but it's a brand new basically perfume house or a perfume brand, and it is a subsidiary of the house of Orientica. Here we go. Let's go. Ooh, smells good. Here we go. Wow. So as it says Qahwah, which means coffee, it is a very, very well done coffee perfume. The coffee in here is gorgeous. It's like very realistic. It's like you just poured a very high-end coffee. Basically you roasted the coffee and then you grounded it, and then you made a beautiful, very high-end coffee, and you added cream to it. You added some syrup to it, and it smells delicious. It smells very gourmand. It smells coffee. It smells milky. It smells sweet. It smells like syrupy to it. It's caramelly. It's toffee smell to it. It's a little bit of chocolatey smell to it. Wow, beautiful. Wow. So just a disclaimer to those who don't know my taste. I'm not a huge fan of coffee perfumes, although I like them, but I'm not crazy about them. This one in particular is completely changed my mind, because it's creamy, it's gorgeous, it's very high quality, it's very well done, it's very high perfumery in here. It's superbly gorgeous. It smells like 300-400 pounds perfume. The thing with House of Orientica and this brand new perfumes from them, which is called Nayaat, is that they give you everything plus the kitchen sink with the highest quality perfume, highest quality ingredients, highest quality know-how and the experience in here, and it shows in the perfume. It shows very, very well done, very gorgeous perfume from the get-go. No harshness, no chemical, no sharpness, no alcohol, none of those. Straight to the perfume, and the perfume is thick, dense, and very, very full-bodied. Is super full-bodied. Wow, but it's got a hint of tobacco in here. I'm smelling tobacco for some reason. I'm not sure if it's a tobacco accord in here. I'm smelling some hint of tobacco, hint of greenery, hint of leafiness, and also a little bit of spiciness. The spices are in here, to my nose, is a cinnamon and nutmeg combination, so it's a little bit nutty, definitely almondy. Wow, yeah, it is very almondy, it's very nutty, it's very hazelnutty, it's chocolatey, it's caramelly. Let's see what they say in terms of note breakdown, and we take it from there. So this is according to Orientica's website. For Qahwah by Nayaat 90ml EDP, what do we have? We have on top, we have amaretto, ice cream and coffee. In the mid we have caramel, tonka beans and dry amber. In the base we have vanilla, musk and ambergris. Wow, what a note breakdown, and what a smell. Gorgeous. So amaretto, yes, amaretto is a Italian sweet, which they're mainly making it from almond, hint of marzipan smell to it. So it is quite dry, and it is like a biscuit, but it is like a cookie, but made mainly from almond and sugar, obviously, and things like that. And that amaretto here is gorgeous. Is making it very, very realistic, like a chocolatey, biscuity, cookie smell to it, and that is very, very apparent in here, and is very realistic. So you need to like your gourmand perfumes to enjoy this. This is 100% gourmand. You cannot go more gourmand than this. It's gorgeous, it's delicious, it's beautiful. After amaretto they say ice cream. Yeah, I'm smelling like a creamy, although per se I'm not smelling ice cream, but I'm smelling very creamy feel to it. So it's creamy, is milky, is sugary, is sweet, is vanilla, definitely vanilla in here, but the tonka bean vanilla together here, giving it a big sweetness, plus those sweet aspect like amaretto, like ice cream, like the tonka bean, like the caramel, and the vanilla all together, giving it big sweetness. So it's very sweet, from 0 to 10 being the sweetest. Right now is about 7 to 8, so it's very sweet. So basically your coffee, your cream is very sweet. Coffee creams like almost syrupy, almost honeyed, almost maple syrupy feel to it, which is very beautiful. The coffee is very prominent, but it doesn't take over. It's like a mix with everything else. So the coffee is very noticeable, but it's not like, there was a perfume I reviewed a few weeks ago that was from the Arahab French coffee. That one, the coffee just takes over and almost you cannot feel anything else. It's very realistic, yes, but it's like pure coffee smell. Here is like coffee, biscuits, caramel, sugar, chocolate, toffee, creamy, milky, lactonic, spicy, especially as I said, you know, I'm smelling something like cinnamon, nutmeg combination, and a hint of tobacco for some reason. I'm getting tobacco. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm getting a smell of tobacco in here, like a leafy tobacco. Yeah, it's like a leafy pipe tobacco. Again, it's just my imagination. I'm not sure what's going on there, but the amber in here is very dense and thick and gooey amber, so you need to like this kind of amber to enjoy it. The musk is on the toner. It's not a big player, but it's very clean in the same time. And the ambergris, I'm not getting that much ambergris in here, to be honest with you, at least for first impression, but it's got a little hint of wateriness, hint of saltiness in here, making it like a salty caramel smell. Maybe that is come from the ambergris. Obviously for this price point, we're not expecting natural ambergris. Natural ambergris is one of the most expensive materials in perfumery, so it's probably something that is replacing ambergris, maybe like ambroxan, maybe ICE super. I'm not too sure, but it smells quite watery and a little bit of that salty feel to it as well. So very complex fragrance, very complex and very well done, very well put together. Perfume is one of the highest I can smell in the whole you see so many perfumes behind me. This one, the perfumery and the blend and the quality of it is like put everything to shame. It's so well done and it's gorgeous and it's delicious and gourmand, beautiful. So if you like it very gourmand, if you like it coffee based, if you like it chocolatey, caramelly, toffee, sugary, if you like it ice cream smell to it, mainly cream and milky, if you like it amaretto, which is like a cookie smell but almondy cookie smell, and this is a big almond and nutty nutmeg in here, plus that smell of tonka bean, which giving it the nutty earthy feel as well. And also the vanilla tonka bean here, giving it big sweetness, plus the caramel, the ice cream, the amaretto, and all together is beautifully done. It's very delicious. It's very well done. Absolutely gorgeous. As I said before, I wasn't a huge fan of coffee before, but with this, yes, I'm absolutely mesmerized, and I'm going to wear it the next 2 days, and in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity and things like that. So who is it for? Definitely for people who love their gourmand, and also they like their barista, they like their coffee shop, they like their maybe even smell of sweet shop and things like that. So if you like those kind of perfumes, you enjoy this to the max, because this is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely coffee based, definitely sweet, definitely gourmand, so you need to like this kind of perfumes to enjoy this. For £75 smells ridiculously reasonable, because it smells like £200-300. There are perfumes from the big houses that they selling it for £200-300 that it doesn't smell anything like this. So imagine that, okay? And in terms of age, I would say 25 years and older to be in the safe side, because although the DNA in here is very friendly, is gourmand, is sweet, but I think it's because of the complexity of this perfume, is good. Mature nose or mature person will appreciate this definitely better. In terms of presentation, look at it. I don't need to say anything. Absolutely gorgeous for £75. Where do you get a perfume from big names or European big names that they give you a presentation like this for £75. It doesn't exist. So yes, it's just luxurious on the eye, luxurious on the hand, and it looks very, very, very expensive. And in terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather because of that sweet nature of Gourmand coffee shop smell to it. And also in terms of gender, it is targeted unisex, and it's correct. There's no gender in here. Anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem whatsoever. And in terms of occasion, this is gorgeous. So it's very good for going out, special occasion, special encounter, close encounter, dating, going to special ceremonies, formal evening, anything in that nature. This is very, very opulent and gorgeous. Okay guys, so for first impression, I give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely gorgeous. This brand Nayaat from the house of Orientica is doing a fantastic job. They're going to put so many names out there in shame in terms of quality and ratio for you paying what you get. Is gorgeous. I cannot recommend it enough. In the next video, let you know the longevity, development, things like that. For now, thank you very much as always for watching. Please don't forget to hit those buttons to support me to bring you perfumes like this in future that nobody else is talking about. If you like to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for the lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of. That gives them the huge personality, very long lasting, beast mode, and they are very artistic and unique. They are like time capsule. They take you different places, different time, and they are super beautiful, if I say myself. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for your love and support, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.